Are you looking for the best scroll saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best scroll saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the DEWALT DW788 scroll saw. DEWALT makes good tools, and their scroll saw is no different. Like most DEWALT tools, this saw is well designed and built to stand up to years of use due to the cast iron table. DEWALT DW788 is the best scroll saw for beginners, home DIYers, and professionals. Even a beginner handyman can make clear cuts and intricate pieces of any project. Despite this scroll saw looks like heavy duty, it is lightweight and compact. It only weighs 56 pounds, which is far lighter than most saws. It also comes with variable speed controls ranging from 400 to 1750 strokes per minute, by which you can manage the cutting speed of the project. For bevel cuts, the table tilts 0 to 45 degrees in each direction. To make quick adjustments, power switch, speed control, and blade tensioning lever are given on the upper arm. This saw has easy blade changes mechanism via tool-free blade clamp. The most important feature, double parallel linked arm, reduces the vibrations and makes it very easy to cut intricate designs with more precise cuts. All saws are going to vibrate, but that doesn't necessarily mean the vibration has to interfere with your work. This feature keeps the blade perpendicular while cutting, which helps in reducing over or undercutting. The dust port really helped us keep our workplace clean while we were working. Without all the dust getting in the way, it was easier to see what we were cutting, especially on the small details. With the throat depth of 20 inches, this variable speed scroll saw comes with a DEWALT 3-year limited warranty package. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the ShopFox W1713 16-inch variable speed scroll saw. We were really impressed by the ShopFox, though it didn't cut well quite as good as the DEWALT DW788. It has some important features which make it a good scroll saw, even though it is advertised to use for both pinless or pinned blades, but we don't recommend it to use for pinless blades. A scroll saw is meant to make intricate cuts, and if you're doing your work in a basement or garage without adequate lighting, you won't be able to do the work properly. The gooseneck work light feature can help you see your work and prevent you from making any mistake. A fixed dust blower prevents any kind of dust from building up on your work surface. You can connect a 1-1/4 inch dust extraction port to shop vacuum to collect all the debris. One of the best features on the ShopFox scroll saw is the variable tilt table with easy blade changes. To cut from a wide variety of angles, it tilts up to 45 degrees while being easy to use and surprisingly accurate. Also, it has a variable speed feature which has a range from 550–1650 SPM. This will work as a great safety feature while starting and stopping at one setting. It has a durable cast iron base instead of aluminum, and that too at a reasonable price. It weighs only 40 pounds lighter than our first pick, which makes it compact and easy to move from one place to another. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. Unfortunately, the W1713 does not come with a parallel link arm to reduce vibration, which means that we felt the vibration a lot more with this saw. The number 3rd position we have the WEN 3920 16-inch variable speed scroll saw. If you're a handyman looking for a budget scroll saw, don't buy anything else other than WEN 3920. It offers many features that expensive saws do but costs only half as much. This is the only scroll saw which provides the dual direction cutting capability to take on the most intricate and artful cuts. This feature matters when you want to speed up the project. One thing to know is that pinless blade changes aren't as easy on this scroll saw as some other models. We particularly loved how large, 16×11 inches, the cutting platform is to take on some larger projects. The hold-down clamp is particularly useful while making small cuts. This way you can lock down the object to prevent it from moving. This feature was particularly useful when we were working with longer and flimsier projects. It helps to get accurate cuts every time. It can cut through the wood up to 2 inches thick and 16-inch throat depth in standard position. WEN 3920 comes with a flexible light, adjustable air pump and notable 2 years warranty. The work light helps you see the project deeply, while dust blower helps to clean off the dust and make sure you see every cut. With 2 blade cutting positions, this scroll saw also allowed us to cut from the standard back and front position or a pin position. You can make bevel cuts from 0 to 45 degrees to the left and right direction. This scroll saw also comes with variable speed feature which ranges from 400 to 1600 strokes per minute. Next at number 4 we have the Delta 40-694 scroll saw. This Delta Power Tools 40-694 is an electric variable speed scroll saw ranges from 400 to 1750 SPM. This feature makes this saw very versatile and you can cut at a different speed in the above range. It made it very easy for us to perform multiple projects and cut different types of wood. The dual parallel linking arm feature cuts down a lot of vibrations on Delta 40-694 and provide more accurate cuts. For bevel cuts, you can tilt the table at 45 degrees in each direction. At 60 pounds, this scroll saw is a bit heavier. You can tilt the oversized 16 x 24 inches cutting table to left or right to work on the larger projects. It can cut through 2-1/8 inch walnut like butter and comes with 5 years warranty. While you can lift and lock the upper arm for blade changes or adjusting position, making this scroll saw even easier to use. You can hold up to 2 blades on the onboard storage unit. It helps the blades to retain their sharpness for a long time. The adjustable hose is also a nice feature and helped us keep our shop area clean. This Delta Power Tool scroll saw has an upgraded option with extra features like adjustable light and adjustable blower, making it more expensive. And finally at number 5th position we have the PORTERCABLE PCB 375SS scroll saw. The PORTERCABLE PCB 375SS lands at bottom of our list. It is a decent choice but not the best option for woodworkers. If you are looking for a saw which has all the important features and makes precise cuts, we suggest you take a look at our top 3 picks. It comes with an aluminum frame which is not good to use as a stable cutting platform. This makes the saw less durable overall and also makes it feel cheaper than other models. With a large and dual tilting table, you can make 15-degree bevel cuts to the right and 45 degrees to the left. This allows you to make a huge number of accurate cuts very easily. Also a control knob is given in the front by which you can control the cutting speeds. There are some other features like, you can easily and quickly change and regulate pin or plane blades and adjust blade tension with the tool-less blade holder. It also comes with adjustable LED light to work in basement and built-in dust blower which clears the dust around the blade while cutting. Even with all the basic features present in this scroll saw, it doesn't have much power and precise cutting ability, hence it landed last in our list. The die-cast aluminum frame really makes it difficult to take advantage of the positive features of this machine. If you're a serious woodworker, we recommend choosing a product that is higher on the list. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.